Hey my loves, let's check out some new Madam Glam polishes that it's called the Amber Shift Collection, y'all. Vegan, cruelty-free, palm oil-free, 21-free formula, and HEMA-free. And of course here are Madam Glam's socials, and this box is recyclable, and if you're interested, check out this little barcode thing. So let's check out these gorgeous colors. So September settles in with sunlit memories and the promise of change. One last shimmer of warmth before the crisp new season calls. This collection includes 8 soak-off gels. This month we embrace the quiet magic of September, the golden hour of the year. Yeah, I'm so ready for this fall and the end of this horrible heat, where every single shade tells a story of confidence, color, and graceful transition. Meet the Amber Shift Collection, a celebration of fall in full color, featuring rich browns, burnished golds, and warm tones inspired by crisp air and golden leaves. Sophisticated yet bold, these shades are made to elevate your autumn look with depth, glow, and unmistakable glam. Embrace the moments at your fingertips with 4 richly pigmented cream shades and 4 cat eye finishes with a soft shimmering twist. The lineup captures the beautiful crisp days, golden light, and everything we love about the season. Wrap your nails in a rich color and conscientious care. Our gel polishes are crafted with clean, thoughtful formulas, 100% vegan, cruelty-free, 21-free, palm oil-free, and of course HEMA-free. So as the leaves turn, the season shifts, you can feel good about every shade you wear inside and out. So I don't know about you, but I am so ready for fall. This heat has been ridiculous this summer, and I'm so ready for some cooler weather and some gorgeous leaves outside. How about you? What is your favorite season of the year? Let me know, and tell me what you like about it. What makes it your favorite season of the year? Personally, I like spring and I like fall. Mostly I like fall because of the colors and the cooler weather, and spring I like because it's basically a renewal of the earth and birth and all that good stuff, and how can you go wrong with that? I did speed this video up 2 times just to make it a little shorter for you, just so you can see these gorgeous colors. And I did do 2 coats of each color. Well, I think I did, I can't remember. Anyway, I did 2 coats of the cream color. The 1 coat is on the top and then 2 coats on the main part of the swatch. That way you can see the difference between 1 coat and 2 coats. And I want to say thank you to my gorgeous rep who sent me a new bottle of top coat, which was severely needed. I literally was scraping bottom on the bottle I had. And I also do a coat of the matte top coat on the cream colors, but not on the cat eye colors, just because I felt like it was going to show through. But y'all, these would be gorgeous as matte nails too. And do you see how easily these reactivate? Yeah, these are absolutely gorgeous, and I love that Madam Glam makes super reactive cat eyes, which is absolutely awesome, because I don't like to struggle with cat eyes. If they don't want to move, they don't move, and these move so easily. It's absolutely incredible. Now, because you know you're going to want to pick these up as soon as you can. This collection is absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to leave my discount code in the description box so that you can pick them up for a discount. And if you're not already part of the VIP program, consider it. Now, the discount code doesn't work on the VIP program because you're already getting a 50% discount And if you don't use it all in that particular month, you can roll it over and save it for when you find a collection or color or what have you that you do want. So it's always like money in the bank, and it's only $29.99, so extremely worth it. Or, like I said, you can use a discount code and purchase these for a discount without joining the VIP program. So it's up to you. Either way you go, it is a great way to save some coins, and who doesn't want to save some money? I am going to do a nail design, but I'm going to do it on a separate video. As you know, I like to do that so that my videos don't wind up being way too long. I don't like to sit through super long videos, so I don't expect you would want to either. But so there you go, and oh, look how reactive that is. These colors are gorgeous. If you made it this far, let me know what your favorite color in this collection is, because y'all, they are gorgeous. And try to take a guess what my favorite color is. It might actually surprise you what color I like. What color, the cream colors, and which of the cat eyes are my favorite. And let me know which is yours. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and jump off here because the video is almost over. I'm going to put on some music so you can see the last little bit. I think there's 2 minutes left. And I appreciate each and every one of you for watching. Sending love, hugs, and blessings. And if you have not already subscribed, I hope that you do consider subscribing, because I would absolutely love to have you. Anyway, love, hugs, blessings, and bye-bye.